So in this video, I'm going to share about how I make money as a digital nomad living in Bali. With the rise of online job, a lot of people are looking to become a digital nomad where you would have the freedom to work from pretty much anywhere you want while still traveling full time. And this is what I've been doing for the past year, and I've been loving this lifestyle. So if you're new to my channel, hi guys, my name is Diane. A little bit of my background. I used to be a doctor working at a hospital before in China, but a year ago I quit my medical career and switched to the digital marketing world where I have the flexibility to work remotely from anywhere I want and become a digital nomad. So far I've lived in Chiang Mai, Bangkok, Koh Phangan, Thailand, and Da Nang, Vietnam. And now I'm here in Bali. Bali, especially in Canggu, is a popular area for digital nomad because it's a perfect place if you want to network with fellow digital nomad, online entrepreneur, or freelancers. A lot of people come to Bali because of the nature, the cost of living, and the convenience. It is definitely one of the best places to live with all of the beautiful accommodation. It is close to the nature, you get to explore the waterfall, the beach, and there's also a lot of co-working spaces. Although the cost of living in Bali has significantly increases after COVID, but it's still a really great place for digital nomad because here you can meet a lot of online entrepreneur, fellow digital nomad, which will give you a lot of exposure to opportunity to work remote. I actually got one of my previous job before because I was networking here in Bali, and then I met some entrepreneurs or fellow digital nomad that later on connect me with my clients. Beside of that, you also have a good work and life balance. Like what I said, it's very convenient to go to the beach, watch sunset or surf, and there's just a lot of fun activities around the island. So when you come to Canggu, Bali, you'll definitely get a taste of what it looks like being a digital nomad living in Bali. Before I finished medical school, I started looking for some skills that I can use to work remotely. And I was very drawn to digital marketing, which is a skill that a lot of digital nomads have nowadays. I started with some free resources and YouTube and start taking online certification. So to work remotely, you're not necessarily need to have a specific degree. Nowadays, there's a lot of skills that you can learn by taking a reliable online courses. So depending on what skills you want to learn, you can start looking for the online courses that can help you to kickstart your digital nomad journey. One of the platforms that I would recommend for online courses is Course Careers. So here they have several different online courses that you can take, starting from tech sales, information technology, software development, data analytics, UI UX design, human resources, digital advertising, and more. After I have the skills that I need, then I start looking for clients. So when I first started my digital nomad journey, I was working as a full-time social media manager. With this job, I got to do it fully remote and I work 40 hours per week. So this was my main source of income. By this time, I also start creating more content and uploading more consistently on YouTube. And a couple months later, my YouTube channel got monetized. Which brings us to my second source of income, which is YouTube AdSense and also brand partnership. So with YouTube and content creation, it has been up and down, but I generally make around 1,000 bucks per month. My goal is to quit my freelance job and be able to make money solely from my online businesses. I've talked about it in my previous video before, but YouTube definitely has a huge potential. If you love content creation, it definitely opened a lot of doors, which is why I also want to mention my third stream of income, which is selling digital product and the one-on-one coaching call that I start doing. So one question that I got asked a lot is how do I manage to work with brands and getting paid even though I don't have a huge following? On my Instagram, I had less than 5,000 followers and brand reached out to me to partner together, and that has been enabling me to enjoy some of the excursions when I'm traveling. Like when I was in Thailand, I got to stay at some hotels, did paramotor for the first time, went to several restaurants in Vietnam, and did a collaboration with a resort here in Bali. So I have a guidebook that you can check out if you're interested in monetizing your social media as well. In this guidebook, I break down all the step-by-step, the things that you need to do to start landing brand partnerships and collaboration, even if you have less than 5,000 followers on your social media. The other things that I start doing is doing a one-on-one call So with this call, I'm helping an aspiring digital nomad who want to find a remote job, who wants to work remotely but don't know where to start. And I'm very passionate about this because I know how overwhelming it could be when you first got started. People are interested about being a travel content creator and start landing paid collaboration. I also guide them throughout this call. With this source of income, I usually make around 500 to 1000 bucks per month. So if you're interested in any of my digital products that I just mentioned, you can check the link down at the description box below. I gotta say, like, being able to make money online has provide me with a huge amount of freedom. If you just get started as a digital nomad, I would highly recommend places like Bali, Thailand, or Vietnam, where the cost of living is a lot lower than the Western countries. Besides of that, you can also build your network because there's a lot of digital nomad who's living in these countries as well. Anyways guys, that's it for the video for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!